Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 42-liter travel suitcase backpack, duffel bag. I mean, it's got it all. It's nice, soft, padded. You've also got your shoulder strap here that also has another padding on this side, so you could just carry it over your shoulder. This is adjustable, so if you wanted to make this shorter or longer depending on your needs or your height, you can do that. You can have it crossbody. The coolest one is actually right here in the back, but you also have a carrying handle here if you wanted to hold it here. This back one, let me show you the coolness of this. So hidden behind here are two shoulder straps that you can put on like a backpack. This goes in here, and then the bottom just clips into place right down here. And you can use it if you want to. If you don't, stash it back in there and don't use it as a backpack. That is completely up to you. Now you've got a backpack that you can wear that is also adjustable on the front here. And then you can clip it across the front if you wanted to clip that on even more. Now, if you did want to wear this as like a trolley for your suitcase, you have that option to do that, and you can just close this off and then slide it over the back of your suitcase. You've got 8 different compartments on the inside, 5 different compartments on the outside to be able to do and store pretty much anything. So I'm going to bring you in here and we can take a look at how well all of this works. These do have a nice easy zipper on all of it. So here's a look at this bag up close. You've got a little pocket right here on the front. It's just a small pocket if you wanted to shove something in there. And then on your side here, you actually have another carrying handle here that's nice and padded. And then when we unzip this, you actually have an area that you can put things like your keys. You have a nice little key holder here, so you can hook your ring on there. And it is detachable, so you can easily grab that and go. I like that little feature. You also have little pen holders that you can shove your pens in and be able to access that if you're going on a business trip. You have a little pocket off to this side as well. And then turning around to this back side, you've got another zippered pocket here, and they're all lined. And then you have more of an open pocket that goes inside there. Now on this other side, you have another corner pocket, but this one, you can actually put shoes in here. So you can just store your shoes right in the side of your bag and keep them away from everything else. Now these are a size 14 and they are fitting in there with plenty of room left. It also has a little hole right there just so it has some ventilation while you're keeping your shoes in there. Now we have our suit bag. We've got our shoes sitting in there right now, so I'm going to go ahead and take those out so you can see how we can put a suit in. So here is the actual suit bag side. You have a nice little hanger right here on the top to be able to put your actual hanger on. You have an area up here at the top that you zip open, and then you can lay your tie in there, so that way your tie is also not getting as wrinkled. Then this is all Velcroed. You Velcro this up, and then you see this hook for your suit, and it has the zipper that goes all the way down where you can put your suit in. Then on the inside, you have little buckles to then hold your suit in place, so it's not all shifting around and getting wrinkled as well. So I've got my husband's jacket here that we will go ahead and put in the bag. You can easily hang that up, and it is now in the suit bag, and it's not going to get wrinkled because it's actually laying out and flat. So then we can just zip this back up. We've got our tie in here. You can fold that over. Now you have a variety of other pockets in here as well. If you did want to put things like your wallet, your keys, anything else could also go in these pockets. This is a loose pocket. So this is a great 42-liter 5-in-1 carrying case that will hold so much stuff and make your packing and traveling that much easier.